Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll down to actually very bottom to find software update, and then tap on download and install. And now your device will basically check for the updates. That's why we needed the internet connection. And you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.